In this short tutorial, you will learn how to block a number on your iPhone. Blocking a number can be useful to avoid receiving unwanted calls from specific contacts. This feature is great for stopping telemarketers or spam callers from bothering you. To get started, open up the phone app on your iPhone and find the number you want to block. You can find them in your contacts or recents. Then tap on this button on the right side of that number. Then scroll down to the very bottom. Now you'll see an option called Block Caller. Just tap on it. Then tap Block Contact to confirm it. This is exactly how you can block a number on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.